Hello everyone. We are back with another question on PT 2 minutes. Today we'll be discussing a question on Indian Constitution. I'll give you some time. Try to look all the statement carefully and mark the correct answer. So now let's discuss each statement one by one. The calligraphy of Hindi version of original Constitution was done by Vasant Krishna Vaid. So yes, this statement is correct. Very lesser known name, Vasant Krishna Vaid, was calligrapher of Hindi version of Constitution. He hand wrote the Hindi version of Indian Constitution. So yes, you should be knowing this name because of the recent our new parliament building and all those things happening with respect to our Indian Constitution. So yes, this statement is correct. Second says Prem Bihari Raizada was calligrapher of original version of Indian Constitution. So yes, this statement is also our correct. Jawaharlal Nehru asked Prem Bihari Raizada to handwrite all the constitution word, and it took 2 years for him to write the constitution with hand in italicized word. And the beauty with him was he never charged a single penny for it. And only thing that he demanded in return of his work was that in every page of the Indian Constitution, his name should be written. And in the last page, his mentor. And who was his mentor? His grandfather. So only one thing he demanded from Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, that his name should be at the bottom of the every page of Indian Constitution. And he hand wrote all the words of Indian Constitution with his own hand. So yes, Prem Bihari Raizada, very prominent name for our Indian Constitution. Third statement, the beautification and decoration was done by Nandlal Bose. So yes, Nandlal Bose, student of Santiniketan, beautifully decorated the Indian Constitution, the outline, the borders. The first page of our Indian Constitution, inverted triangle with blossoming of lotus, tell that India is moving from feudal past to our sovereign democratic and republic. So this was the idea behind our beautification of our Indian Constitution. So yes, all three statements are correct. These are the basic fact with respect to original version of Indian Constitution that you should be knowing about. So all of you who have marked answer C, many congratulations. For more such video, follow PT 2 minutes.